So I've got my workbench here. I just took it out of the box. What I'm going to do here in a minute is put it together and let you know how long it took, and then we're going to go over the features. There aren't that many parts. There's really only 6 steps, and the 6th step is you're actually finished. So that's pretty cool. Now, what I do like about it, just looking at it, my first impressions, your top here, the board, I mean, this is solid. This is really a nice board. I like this. And then, of course, we've got our stands down here at the base. These are all adjustable, but we'll get into that in a moment. So let me go and put together, and then I'll show you how it comes out. So I've got it all put together. It took 20 minutes. This was very, very simple to put together. So let's go ahead and I'll go over the features of this. Number one, the board here. There's 2 sections we put together. The board is actually 1 inch thick. I mean, it's super heavy duty. It's just really nice and smooth. And you can adjust the level on these. When you look at the legs, you can adjust this anywhere from 27 inches to up to 37 inches. So this can be used for inside your garage as a workbench. You can use it inside an office in your home. And you could actually do some office work with this too. So it's got a lot of different uses for it. On each side, we do have pegboards, so you can go ahead and hang your tools. And on one side, we do have some additional outlets. We've got 4 outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and then we also have a power switch that does light up when the power is on. Now the feet are adjustable, so if you're putting it on an unlevel surface, you can go ahead and get it level, and they have rubber on the bottom, so it is non-slip. The frame is all steel. Overall, I'm real happy with it. It feels heavy duty. I love that it was so easy to put together, and I really love this top. I love just the way it looks. Hope you found this review helpful.